Hello, hi, welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to see 3D inflate. Okay, so here I'm going to take a text here, so I'm just going to give OMG. Okay, so here selecting everything, I'm just going to scale that one with a selection tool which holding shift. Okay, so now what I do, I want to convert this into shape. So selecting the text, right click and go for create outline. Okay, the shortcut key is shift plus control plus O, so click on that. So you converted the text into a shape. Okay, so here what I do, I want to scale the O, letter O. Double click on that, so I'll be into the layer, so I'm just going to scale it holding shift. Okay, so I'm going to change the color to, maybe I can just have some greenish color. Okay, and for this one I can just go with some, yeah, this green, and I can just take it closer to this and I can make it again a green. I can just go with a pick color and I can just pick this one. Okay, and for this one I can just make it bigger, and I can just use some yellowish tone. Maybe I can go with this color. Okay, so prefer to go with the colors as you like. Okay, so I'm going to do the inflate. So selecting this one, now it is overlapped. So selecting this, go to effect and go for 3D and material, so go for inflate. Okay, so if I click on inflate, it gives you this 3D palette. In this one I just selected inflate. Straight away it comes over here. You see the pillow emboss. Okay, the emboss. So now you see the difference of the inflate, where you can just click on this and rotate freeform. You see it's exactly 3D. It's amazing one, right? So what I do, I can just go to light and I can change the light here. If I want diffuse to be there, I can just go with the diffuse. You can just change the light. Okay, so I want it on the top, and I'm going to increase the intensity of it. So now you see the intensity of the light is heavy, so that it's bleaching out, right? So I can just reduce that. Okay, according to the need, you just go for it, or else you can just use diffuse. Okay, or anytime you can just come over here, you can just rotate it back to as you need. Okay, so this way you try this one. Lot of settings for the light. Okay, so now what I do, I just go to material here. Okay, so this is the material, it has been applied, so it is again a base material. So if you want to change any material, you are welcome to change. If you want something like gold natural, I can just click on it. So it is taking time. You see it's a gold material. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I don't want that, so I'm just undoing it, and I can just reduce the roughness of it, and also increase the metallic. Okay, so if I just do increase the metallic, now you see it's amazing, right? So I'm going to place it, and lighting is also set. Now go to render with ray trace, which will give you the better output. So if I just click and wait for a while, yeah, this is the output. So you try with shape, you try with text, you try with stroke, but if you're going to go with a stroke, try to convert into shape and then go for the output. So you see my 3D OMG with inflate. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, like, share